If it's possible for you, it's recommended that for this practice you either lie down or recline with both hands on your heart. If this is not possible, then just allow yourself to get into whatever position feels best for you. Once it feels good to you, softly close your eyes and allow each inhale and exhale to feel as though it's flowing in and out from your heart's center, breathing fresh energy into your heart on every inhale and releasing and relaxing on every exhale. All is well. If your hands are resting gently on your heart, tune in to the warmth here. And imagine as though your hands are sending loving light into your heart. Let each breath be soft and natural. Nothing to force, nothing to control. The breath knows what it's doing. Allow yourself to let go and just let the breath flow. Scanning your awareness through your body and letting go of any muscles that you do not need to use right now. Allowing gravity to take over as you release the muscles in your face, jaw, shoulders, arms, hands, torso, back, sit bones, legs and feet. Letting go, dropping down. There's nothing to hold on to here. And if this means your hands begin to slide from your heart center, that's okay. Just allow yourself to relax, to let go, and to let this moment be perfect as it is. Allowing yourself to be perfect as you are. Nothing to judge, nothing to change. If only for this moment you can let yourself off the hook. Let yourself be okay and worthy of love exactly as you are. For indeed you are worthy of love exactly as you are. Say thank you to yourself and feel yourself returning to your body, feeling yourself present in this moment, still connected to that loving compassion. And if it feels good to you, you may give yourself a warm embrace and carry these loving, compassionate feelings with you as you slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the world around you, taking your time to slowly open your eyes.